I've spent the last decade investigating where power hides online, how it shifts, how it mutates, and more often than not, how it monetizes confusion. I want to begin with a scene that might feel familiar. You're scrolling, half awake, and suddenly see a headline so outrageous, so emotionally charged, that your thumb freezes. You know it's probably fake. You know it, but you click anyway. Now add the times when you don't know it is fake news, and then multiply that moment by millions, and you start to see the machinery. This isn't just a byproduct of bad media or polarized politics. It's a business, a massive, cross-border, data-driven industry, the fake news factory. Disinformation often enters a country through culture, memes, pop music references, and viral clips. I first encountered this machine while tracking disinformation campaigns during a Latin American election. I expected some local bad actors or ideological groups. What I found was something else entirely. A farm of fake websites operated from Eastern Europe, pushing targeted falsehoods in Portuguese. The operators didn't speak the language, but they didn't need to. Evidence of this came out in 2018 when the Atlantic Council and Digital Forensic Research Lab, DFR Lab, reported on Russian disinformation efforts in Latin America. Facebook and Twitter have taken down coordinated networks based in Eastern Europe, including Russia and North Macedonia, targeting Latin American countries, particularly Venezuela and Brazil. Facebook removed over 100 pages in 2019 that were linked to content farms in the Balkans, targeting Spanish-speaking users with politically polarizing content. But they didn't stop in Latin America. Numerous investigations, especially by BuzzFeed News, e.g. Craig Silverman, have traced how fake news websites in Macedonia and elsewhere generated thousands of dollars a month from Google Ads by posting viral political content. A well-documented case is the fake pro-Trump sites from Velas, Macedonia, during the 2016 election cycle. RT and Espanol and Sputnik have rapidly grown in Latin American and African markets, presenting narratives aligned with Russian geopolitical interests. These outlets have been accused by watchdogs and fact-checkers of spreading misleading or polarizing content. A 2018 study by the MIT Media Lab found that false news spread significantly faster on Twitter than the truth. Similar conclusions were drawn by both the New York Times and the Reuters Institute, whose investigations into misinformation and monetization revealed that virality and the profits that come with it often favor the deceptive over the accurate. Let's break this down. Fake news factories aren't just your cousin forwarding conspiracy theories on WhatsApp. Today, a growing share of election interference campaigns rely on micro-influencers and private messaging apps like WhatsApp instead of traditional fake news websites. Research by the Mozilla Foundation and Rest of World has documented how disinformation spreads in countries like Brazil and India, often fueled by coordinated influence operations embedded in chat groups and amplified through local personalities. They are structured systems, often with employees, editorial calendars, social media teams, and SEO strategies. They pump out low-cost, high-volume content that exploits platform algorithms and emotional triggers. The goal? Not truth, not even persuasion, just chaos and clicks. Clicks that feed ad revenue, engagement that drives up monetization, and in some cases, political contracts masked as marketing deals. The economics are brutal and brilliant. Why write nuanced truth when outrage outperforms accuracy? Why verify when you can amplify? A teenager in Skopje can earn more running a fake U.S. political news site than a professional journalist at a local paper. This isn't speculation, it's documented. The U.S. Senate Intelligence Committee's report on Russia's Internet Research Agency, along with research from the Oxford Internet Institute, has mapped how political bots and influence operations create profitable disinformation ecosystems. A marketing firm in Manila can be hired to clean up a politician's online image by drowning critics in coordinated troll attacks. Disinformation is cheap to make, and trust is expensive to rebuild. Now here's the twist. Tech platforms, often unintentionally, reward this chaos. Their algorithms favor engagement, because more engagement means more time on the app. More time on the app means more data, and more data means more money. We have built an online ecosystem where the most profitable lie is the one that travels fastest. And often it's crafted not by believers, but by entrepreneurs. So who's responsible? That's the hardest question. Governments point fingers at foreign actors. Platforms blame users. Users blame the media. And the media, well, many are struggling to survive. This isn't a whodunit, it's a system failure. And that's the good news. Because systems can be redesigned, we need to rethink three things. First, incentives. Demonetize deception, not dissent. Second, transparency. Demand clearer labeling of AI-generated content and the origin of viral narratives. And thirdly, education. Not just fact-checking, but teaching how manipulation works, who profits from it, and how to resist it. I'm not here to say the truth will win just by showing up. It won't. Even the sharpest minds can fall for comforting lies. But we've faced information crises before. The printing press unleashed them. So did radio and television. Each time we adapted, eventually. Now it's our turn. Because the danger isn't just that fake news is everywhere. It's that the truth is outpriced, outperformed, and outnumbered.